Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho billing software. First, let's get your account set up correctly. You'll begin by configuring your organization's profile, including your company name, address, and currency. Next, set up your preferred payment gateways, like Stripe or PayPal, to ensure you can accept payments smoothly. Don't forget to add your products and services as items, specifying their prices and descriptions. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes and is crucial for efficient billing operations. Now, let's dive into creating invoices and managing subscriptions. You can easily generate a new invoice by selecting a customer and adding the relevant items. For recurring services, set up a subscription plan with custom billing frequencies, such as monthly or quarterly. Zoho Billing allows you to automate payment reminders, sending notifications 7 days before a due date or 3 days after an invoice becomes overdue. This ensures timely payments and reduces administrative effort significantly. End portal blocks are a bit different. You cannot mine them in survival mode. They naturally appear in strongholds, forming the structure that leads to the end dimension. To get these blocks for creative builds, you'll need to use a game command. For example, typing /give@p Minecraft end portal will grant you one of these special blocks directly into your inventory. Finally, let's explore the powerful reporting and customization options. Zoho Billing offers over 30 different reports, providing insights into sales, revenue, and outstanding balances. You can customize your invoice templates with your company logo and preferred layout, ensuring a professional appearance. Furthermore, integrate Zoho Billing with other applications like CRM or accounting software for a seamless workflow across your entire business operations. These features help you make informed decisions and streamline your financial management.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.